I'm Jay Strickland, founder and CEO of Wingswept. So Wingswept is a managed service provider. We're located just outside of Raleigh, North Carolina. We employ about 60 people. We also have an application development division, which makes us maybe a little different than most managed service providers. Wingswept as an MSP sat on the VoIP sidelines for probably longer than most. We had legacy PBX companies in our market that had shifted into selling hosted VoIP as their network. And as we saw those companies start to shift into also selling managed services, we said, we're going to have to get off the sidelines. We're going to need to start offering VoIP solutions.
My name's John Sparks. I'm the engineering manager here at Wingswept. I lead our proactive team and work on the ops side of the division as well. I recall Jay, our CEO, coming back from some conference and excitedly saying, oh, guess what? We're going to be selling this new phone service called Cytracom. And we were all like, okay, we're not really phone people. We're not super sure how this is going to go, but we trust Jay and we follow Jay, and he said it was going to work. So we said, okay, let's get into this.
One of the things that resonated with us about Cytracom was their channel only. The ability for us to partner with someone that isn't going to turn around and compete with us on the very next deal. Someone that's committed to our success, because us being successful will ultimately make them successful, was hugely important to us. Standardizing our technology stack at Wingswept is hugely important for the efficiencies that we're looking to get so that we can deliver great service to our client. And that starts with us being intentional about how we select vendors to work with. By making one choice, we can get all of our engineers trained. We can make sure that they have to learn one system extremely well. We can also be talking to our customer about one system. Over time, our goal is to convert all of our customers that need a VoIP solution from us over to Cytracom. So we've roughly through a third of our customers in the first 2 to 3 years, and are slowly working through other customers as contracts expire, as they have needs. We had one customer that had a legacy PBX. That customer had previously said, no, we're happy with what we've got. And they were just as happy as they can be, right up until the point where their system was fried. That happened on a Wednesday, and on Saturday, we installed their new Cytracom phones. They were up and running and ready for business on Monday.
The product is phenomenal. It's stable, it's solid. I'm a mobile-only user, and I think it's the best thing since sliced bread. I don't necessarily care that I have a desk phone on my desk because I'm not there very frequently. I'm always attached to my phone, and the product just works very, very well through the phone.
Some of the things that our customers like about the Cytracom solution, there's no large upfront cost. They're not locked into contracts that require them to be stuck with a solution that may not work for their business, although none of our customers have dropped Cytracom. They like the fact that it's nice, it's simple, they can use it wherever they're at. Remote workers, they have those capabilities. We've also found they like that Cytracom is continually developing and adding more features to the product to make the system more useful for our customers' business.
I need a company that's going to understand the MSP business model and understand that we are not able to be experts in every single thing that we support, and that we will need that partner to stand up and be available and be accountable to whatever it is that they're doing. We do love Cytracom. It's been a great product for us. It has matured tremendously, and we're benefiting from that an awful lot right now.